If you are looking for a fast and effective way to lose weight without ever having to step foot in a gym, starve yourself, or try a fad diet, then you're in the right place. If I offered to help you lose about 15% of your body fat in the next 90 days using weight loss medications such as Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, or Semaglutide at 4 times less than you can get anywhere else, would you be interested? Well, we can get you set up to have these peptides shipped directly and discreetly to your door without ever having to step foot in a doctor's office. Not only that, but by joining us, you'll also get access to ask our doctors questions at any time, access to sample meal plans and exercise programs that'll help speed up your results, all from the comfort of your own home. So are you ready to get started? My name is Sarah Ball, and I'm a physician assistant working with Inspired Peptides on our Get Thin program. We are a company that is committed to giving patients access to world-class healthcare, all without artificially inflating the prices. When it comes to weight loss, these medications, also known as peptides, are the most effective solution. You might be wondering how they work. Well, peptides are small chains of amino acids that essentially tell the body that it's time to perform certain tasks. As we age, the body naturally slows down, including its production of many hormones and proteins. We use peptides to tell the body that it's time to make more. These weight loss peptides work by telling the body that you feel fuller longer and suppress the appetite. Not only that, but they also reduce inflammation and help to break down fat cells. Kind of sounds like wonder drugs, right? So here's what you can expect from working with us. First, I want you to head to our website, fill out the form with basic information about yourself. Nothing invasive, we just need the essentials. Once you submit that form, it will go directly to one of our doctors that will review all of your information to determine if these peptides are the right fit for you. Once you're accepted, you can expect a shipment of peptides to arrive at your doorstep within just a couple of days. All of this is cash-based, so no need to worry about working with your insurance. We've intentionally kept the price lower so that we can help more people. Along with our peptides, you'll also have access to our doctors to ask questions anytime throughout your weight loss journey. So if this interests you, fill out the form to request more information so that you can quickly lose up to 15% of your body fat in the next 90 days. I encourage you to act fast. We do have limited stock available and expect to sell out very quickly this month. So fill out your information and get started on our Get Thin program.